Here's an alternate method to hook up your return air. Even though the return air is a little undersized, you can see what they did up here. They made their own start collar, which I've done for you. I believe this is an 8 by 14, which is way too small for a return air. You can even see down here on the furnace, they had a lot more to cut out, but I guess they saved a couple bucks. So, if you look at this, it just goes down to the bottom. They put an end cap on, and the ductwork goes right up against the furnace. On the inside of the furnace, I hope you can see this, the filter is right here. There's a bar right here that holds the filter in place. And to get the filter out, you gotta pull it out through the side here. Okay. Now inside the furnace, what they did is they met some fingers in it and they put it up against the furnace and wrapped it around. Just kind of like you're putting in a rod start collar. They just cut some big fingers in it and wrapped it around, which made the hole even smaller for the return air, which is, it's not good. It's not a good installation. Now, I don't have a problem with this, doing this. I've never done it, but you have to make sure that hole's big enough, because in this furnace it simply is not. So anyway, there you have it. There's your alternate method. You just cut a square hole in the rectangular ductwork, cut some fingers in it, and wrap it around inside your furnace. And then you'll fit your filter into the furnace. So, there you have it. So I guess if you were pressed for money and you got a furnace, and you can buy all this ductwork at Home Depot, you could make yourself a return air without buying a boot, and just kind of square, cut some fingers in it, and wrap it around inside your furnace. So more than likely, what they did is they put that on before they put the furnace in place, and they reached around the bottom before they put the end cap on, and they reached in there and bent that in place. So more than likely that's how they did this. So a very cheap and expensive method, but you gotta use bigger ductwork. 8 by 14 don't cut it. It's gotta be at least 8 by 24. Okay, here's a better view. Looks like this one. This one was taken out. Must have been done by the same person. You can see what they did there. Wrap that around, cut a hole. This one didn't make it too long, I guess. It's already taken out. Still, the return air is too small. I believe it was. No, it looks like 8 by 14 again. So they're really skipping out on these furnaces when they put them in.